This is the startup checking of Abdullah dough kneader AE221 5 kg big capacity Atta gundne wali machine being checked for Daraz order on 18th March 2024. This is the shipping label. It has a measuring flask, a metal blade and an instruction manual cum warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. You can see this is the back side. We will show you from the bottom. There are no damages, and now we will start it. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. This is the timer. Then we pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, and then we paste the fragile stickers, pack it in brown sheet, and finally in bubble wrap for safe packaging from Karachi to the customer's address. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped and it is 100% okay, and now we will pack it for Daraz.